Right, so now we're actually set up at the booth, and when I say we, I mean obviously me. But, so, you can see, it's here, it's working, so surely it's just going to be great.
Okay, if you're feeling thirsty, our beers have
Well, we're back from GDC now and back in normal life, but it's not all bad because today I get to talk with Stefan Arizona, and Stefan is one of our software developers here at Esri, looking more into this whole idea of XR, so virtual reality, mixed reality, augmented reality. So I'm excited to be talking with you today and looking forward to hearing a little bit more about just the general concept of XR and what's in store for CityEngine in this space. So I'm going to put a keyword out there, so tabletop VR experience. Can you let us know what that is and why something like that is favorable?
Okay, yeah, sure. Hi Tesha, by the way. So tabletop experience, well, we're focusing at the moment on a virtual table. You can imagine you're in the virtual world and you're standing around there with your collaborators. So you're seeing a virtual table with content on it. You can also jump in it actually. We're using this at the moment because we saw that people are getting less sick, and this is one of the biggest challenges, of course, in virtual reality. If you want to use it for everyone, people tend to get sick, at least some of them. We'll be trying to prevent this and working against it, of course.
Okay, so yeah, you mentioned getting sick as being one of the main challenges. What sort of other bigger challenges do you see in making good VR experiences that are accessible to everyone?
Okay, of course there are plenty of challenges, but well, hardware has advanced very, very fast, but it's still a bit clumsy. You have cables, you have the big headsets. If you have the headsets on for a long time, it starts to feel uncomfortable. So we have challenges there, but this will, I assume this will improve over time in the coming years, certainly. Other challenges, of course, are more related to content. So we want to make great stories, great experiences, and this is something we are permanently working on.
And so in our VR example, we make use of this collaborative VR experience. So maybe just give us a little bit of insight into what the benefit is of this sort of collaborative workflow.
So the application of our VR experience we're doing is actually urban planning. And urban planning is a collaborative activity, so very often people come together, they look at the scenario, they discuss it, they decide how it should be changed, and this is something that we are trying to pick up.
And my last question, and I think it's probably the one that most people want to know a little bit more about, but what's next in VR for CityEngine?
Okay, of course there's plenty of exciting stuff coming up now that we have the general setting up and running. So at the moment we're thinking of the whole scene at the moment is rather static, so it's made for viewing and not so much for interacting with it. So of course we would like to move more towards design tools that you can go and change things, make that building higher, make it smaller, make it away. Then also we're seeing animated things like people walking around, vehicles driving around in there. Also climate, weather, you know, you could have rain and you can look at the rain, you can make the rain go away, have sunshine again.
Yeah.
These kind of things.
Great. So yeah, so that's sort of where this is all headed. That's it for today. Thanks for joining me. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Thanks.